Okay,
I gotta go take a dump.
Yeah, so he has to go take a potty, but he doesn't know that I'm on his computer right now because I kind of just got in here and I was gonna pretend to get some snacks. So yeah. What does he play? What are his friends? No, I'm gonna edit his avatar. Yeah, let's edit his avatar. He's gonna be so mad. If we just make him just a character so that he doesn't get super mad at me. Okay. Let's make this no. Yeah, let's just make that no. Okay, so what does he have as his constant? Okay. Let's just go to all. And first let's just take off all this stuff. Let's put on the bacon here though. What is this? I'm so no, take that off. We're just gonna put this on him, that on him. She's a robot hat. The game studio exec. What does this look like? Please load. I need to see what this looks like. Just tell me what it looks like. Tell me what it looks like, please, please, please. Okay, yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, he looks hot. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Now let's go play some games. Let's go play, oh, should we spend his 6 Robux? Should we do that? I don't know. I don't wanna though. No, we don't. I'm not toxic. Let's just, what does he play? What's a game he likes? That has, like, coins and stuff, because I want to waste all the coins. Okay, so he likes, Island Royale. I don't know what that is, but I'm playing it because I don't know. We'll just spend all his coins in that game. I think I have to press open the box. I have a different computer than him. Just let me in the game. Okay, thank you. Stop. So, yeah, we're in Island Royale. We gonna play Island Royale. It's a seagull hill because we la o siko niya buabila. Okay, so how many land does he have? Shot. Close that. Yeah, we go smell as mine because we go. Oh shoot.
My next box. Thank you, Xbox, for turning on. Actually getting Snapple. My back! I'm gonna get so many wins on Overwatch. Do I want to play? Overwatch watch Origin Tradition? Rocket League's probably done recording. Did I upload? If not, I'll play Battlefront. It's did it! Yes! Let's go! I'm just gonna have a seat. Hi, Kimberly. Come on. Come on! Let's start to suck at this game even more. Got Rick up in here. Take me to the car custom. Should I rock the Ghostbusters? I feel like Merc would be good. No, this is cool, but it's from Halo, and I don't like one. I guess we'll do. I mean, Batman. I just do the Merc. The Merc's bigger. No, I don't want this car. I want the Merc. Dum dum. Wait. Wheels. Wait, I have Ghostbuster wheels. Nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts looks pretty good. No. Slime. Pig. Flash. Yes. Mr. PBH. Mr. Bezeeks. Slimer. I have to do the worm WMD. Why do I want a white flag? Fine. Ooh, that's. Okay. We got that. Let's play that itch. Let's play. Okay, it's finding her game. Oh yeah, I forgot I spilled my popsicles. So it's all good. Okay. I forgot how to move. Oh God. He took the power. What?
Guys, he hasn't seen this yet. This is ridiculous.
I swore if I swear if I made that goal, I'll be in. Yes.
god, guys! What the? What's he doing?
Okay, I'm back.
Oh shit, guys, he's back. I don't know what to do.
Crash Bandicoot. I suck at Crash Bandicoot. I can't even do the first area, but I feel like leaping onto the whole third.
We ban him from my game. Could you hear rid of this? Like it. Bro, like it.